In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image using ChatGPT. Whether you're a designer, a content creator, or just someone wanting to modify an image for personal use, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that your final image is precisely how you envision it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your preferred search engine. For most people, this will be Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT to quickly locate the platform we're going to use. Once your search results appear, look for the official ChatGPT website link and give it a click to open the site. With the ChatGPT website now loaded, you're ready to begin the process of integrating your image. Look towards the top of the page, and you'll see a familiar plus sign icon. This icon is your gateway to adding photos or files to the platform. Click on the plus sign, which will prompt a menu to appear. Here, select the option that reads Add Photos and Files. This is where you'll begin the process of selecting the image you want to resize. Next, browse through your files to find the image you intend to resize. This step is straightforward but crucial. Once you've located your image, highlight it and click on the Open button. This action will upload your chosen image to the ChatGPT platform, setting it up for the next step. Now that your image is uploaded, it's time to instruct ChatGPT on what exactly you want to do with it. In the input or prompt area of the platform, you'll need to describe the resizing process clearly. For example, you might type something like, create a resized 300 or 300 image by smartly cropping the original to keep the main subject centered without distortion. Be as detailed as possible to ensure the outcome meets your expectations. After you've typed out your resizing prompt, it's time to submit your instructions. Look for the Submit button, usually located near the prompt entry field, and click on it. This sends your instructions to the platform for processing. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully uploaded an image and instructed ChatGPT to resize it per your specifications. Remember, the key to achieving the best results lies in the clarity and specificity of your resizing prompt. If your image doesn't turn out as expected the first time, don't worry. Experiment with the prompt details until it matches your vision. Thank you for watching, and happy resizing!